it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. If you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my community posts or uploads or information about my new channel I'm getting ready to start. And give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Now this is part 2 of my large Temu crafting haul that I uploaded on Wednesday. That video would have been 45 minutes long, and I was like, nobody's gonna want to watch 45 minutes worth. So I decided, plus Maggie had that nail appointment, which she did fine. I was really proud of her. She's such a big girl. So here I'm going to have the part 2. I know a lot of you are excited. I am too. I found so many wonderful crafting items, very inexpensive at Temu. So I figured I should go ahead and film another intro and outro for this video since the other one wouldn't have made very much sense. Okay, without further ado, let's hop on in to the haul. And I picked up, and I don't have to open these. These are memories. They're vintage background material paper. Now, I've made my own coffee dyed paper. You can see on the back, they're just plain, it looks like. I don't know. No, that's a card. You get several packs. I'll open this just to see. No, they are plain on the back side, okay? So, but I've made my own coffee dyed paper, but I thought these would be quick and easy for the price. And then these are leaves. Look at that, how beautiful those are. But it's just vintage background paper. Then these right here, I don't know, let's open this. This is Misty Rose. So let's see what I have. It may be this. Oh, I think it's the same thing. Look, it's just these beautiful vintage papers, and they have texture to them. Oh, they're gorgeous. Love that. Oh, and then here's another memories, and I thought I might want some green, you know, to put in something, so I like that. Then I picked up these. I'm not going to open these, but that's what these are. They're just little kind of like paper doilies almost, but look how pretty. I got them in the blue. And then I had to get these stickers. Look how cute these are. Vintage pictorial. Okay, got those. Then I picked up these. I could not help myself. They have so many different kinds, but I liked all these little girly stamps. I thought they were really cute. Well, they're really stickers, but that's what you get. Then I wanted to get this. Let's open this because I'm not sure what this is. I have been dying to go through this. I've had this stuff a while, but I wanted to wait and haul it with you all. Is that not beautiful, just like that? And then you get tons of these little stickers. Just vintage, different kinds of stickers. So I love these, and it is full. This is full of stickers. If you all know of any really good ways to store all this stuff, let me know, because I'm going to need to know. Then I got some more of these like little lace, kind of like paper doilies, and they have all these really pretty designs on them, but I'm not going to open that up because I know that's going to be a mess. And then I got this. Let's open this. I think it's just different kinds of papers. But you can get so much crafting supplies from Temu, so affordable. I mean, look at all that. So beautiful. Like I said, this is not sponsored, but I mean, if you really want to get started or you want to grow your stash, this is where to go. Okay, then I picked this up. These are just, it's called the Rose, and they're just little stickers like that. Has all kinds of pretty little rose-colored stickers. and they have roses on them, okay? Then this one, then these are like this. I love how those look. Then I had to get the white because I thought, well, anytime it would be pretty, but I thought like for Easter or Christmas or just really anytime, these would really be beautiful. Just make something pop. Then these are like warm sunshine, and you get tons of little things here. Looks like a wax seal and just a bunch of different little things. Then these are Star Wish, the Delicate Time series, collage, handmade. This says pet sticker, but it has nothing to do with pets. I guess it's because they're small. I don't know, but look at that. Look at all you get. These are beautiful. And then I got these in this color because I want a variety. It just keeps going. Then I got these. These are stickers. Let's open this and look at this. Okay, you get 4. And these look like this. I thought those would be really pretty. And then these are like this. You could put them down one side. You could do so much with them, really. And then these, you could cut them apart. And then these have the sunflower, the more yellow. And I won't open these, but these are just blue. And they look like this on the back. So you can see, you can get these apart, looks like. And the same thing for this. That's what you get. And here they are. I just wanted to get a variety. I thought that would be really pretty, something like that. Let's open one of these just to see what they're actually like. Oh, you can see. They're separate. They're small, but they're really pretty. And you just peel them off and put them where you want them. So yes, they are separate. And then these are all like this. I thought that was really, really pretty. Okay. And we are not done. Then I got this because I just thought it looks so different and vintage, okay? So, it just has a bunch of little paper. I think these are stickers. Let's open it and take a few out. I don't want to get these all over because like I said, she has an appointment. I think these are stickers. This says Sweet Pea. And this says Patience. I don't know if they're stickers or if you just glue them down. But anyway, they'd be beautiful. Then I got this. Just a big bunch of stuff. So you know we're going to have to open this. Oh, but I don't want to take it all out, I don't think. Because it'll take forever. But look. Look at this. They're little lace-like stickers. Then the little doilies are down in here. Different types. Then the little wax seals. Then look at these. Probably use this more for journal. But then you get all these little papers. Look at that. Open plant market. They're really cute, but I don't want to open them all because, like I said, never get it all back. Then I got this. And these are little books. And they have, like, this is dictionary set. Look at that. Enemy, a hostile nation or power, something that harms. I mean, you know, fee. you can put this in. I thought that would be cute. Then this is all about, this is Q to S, okay? This is from E to F, Q to S. I mean, I have them all. T to Z. I have tons in here. So that's what all that is, A to B. And they had, if you didn't want the dictionary set, you could get a different set. But I wanted the dictionary set because I thought I'd do more with that with the junk journal. Okay, and then I got some more of these little books. I could not help myself. I think they're so cute. Look at that. Is that not adorable? Okay. And in here are stickers. Look at these beautiful, beautiful. Or are they rub-ons? Says it's scrapbook paper. Okay, so I guess you just glue these on. But would these not be beautiful? I got this. I thought it would be really pretty. These are flowers in clusters. Then I went insane and got this one. Okay. And this is like, oh my gosh. This is too cute. Look at this. It's all about books. Books and typewriters. They're on double sides. They're double-sided. Just look at all this. Love it. Love it. Once again, junk journal. Okay, then I had to get this. Let's see what this looks like. I told you this was going to be a long haul, and it is. Oh, what? Oh, I bet these are like stickers. These are retro stickers. Look how cute those are. I'm not going to take them all out, but looks like you get 2 of each. Look at that. Oh gosh, I love them. If they're not stickers, you can put glue on the back. I don't know if they're stickers or not. So, I don't want to tell you wrong. Then I got Baroque Angels. So let's look at this. That's what they look like. Oh, this one came out. So see right here? Would that not be pretty? Christmas or sometime like that. So we'll just poke that one right back in there. Then I got fashion because you don't really know what you want to do sometimes. And I wanted to have some really cute, I love the 50s. I should have been born in the 50s, but I was not, okay? But look at that, so pretty. No, I should have grown up in the 50s is what I should have done, but I did not, okay? Then I got the Botanical Garden. These are like the other sticker book. Oh, look at this. Look at that. That's an orange. Look at all of that. So pretty. I love these. Okay, then I got this one. Oh, these are like this. These are those papers again. Oh, is that not so soft and gentle? Would be so pretty. Like you could make a specimen card with this easily. Or you could do anything. I mean, some of these you wouldn't want to do that with, but wow. Look at that. Love that calendar. Oh gosh, is that not gorgeous? Okay, then I got some washi. Now I don't know how big this is actually going to be, so let's kind of keeps it all together. Oh, or I think that's stickers. Oh my, that's stickers. I thought it was washi. I should read better, but that's really pretty. Okay. So this is the same way it's this color all over. Okay, so there's no need to open that. And then this, isn't that gorgeous? That's the same way, but you could really do a lot of pretty things with that. Now this, I think, is washi. It looks like this. This is washi. Is that not going to be pretty? I wouldn't say you get an excessive amount of this, but it's really pretty, okay? Like that. And then I got these. This is washi as well, and it's supposed to look like this. So let's look. This is the last thing that I got. Yeah, and it is. You can see all the different kinds of washi. Now, once again, you don't get an excessive amount of this, but for the price, it is not bad at all, okay? Wasn't that a wonderful haul? I am still amazed at all you can find on Temu for paper crafting, either junk journals or card making, anything. They have so many embellishments, whatever. This craft haul is really a good one, and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe and become a member of our family. So I will see you. I'm not sure when. I got some of my crafting items in today, so I want to start playing with them. I don't have everything ready for the new channel quite yet. I'm waiting on some more things to come in. I'm loving my new desk. As you can see right back there, this part of my craft room is pretty clean, but that side of my craft room is scary, okay, and probably dangerous. So next week I may do a clean my craft room and maybe try to organize a little bit so it'll be ready for the paper crafting, like the card making, junk journals, art journals that we're going to be doing on my new second channel. Like I've said repeatedly, the Magnolia Housewife isn't going anywhere. Content staying the same, uploads staying the same. I just don't know next week exactly what my upload's going to be on the Magnolia Housewife. I'm not sure. I'm hoping to get the new channel up and running soon. I don't know. Like I said, I'm waiting on some items to be delivered and they keep being delayed. So as soon as I get them, we'll get started. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she was in Mama and Daddy's bedroom. She tries to come close to wherever I am. She's so funny. It's a craft room. Like I said, it can be dangerous. So she's not that fond. I have her little bed underneath my desk, and sometimes she'll go and lay on it. Usually if I just get one of her blankets and put it on the floor beside me, she'll lay here forever. But something fell in here earlier. It wasn't near her, but it scared her to death. Say so. I'm in hiding. So until next time. Bye, guys.